Do you want to learn how to quickly and easily flip an image on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to do this. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Photos app on your iPhone, and then go over to the photo that you want to flip. After that, tap Edit on the top right. And then tap on this icon at the bottom right. So now, in order to flip this photo, tap once on this icon at the top left corner of the screen. As you can see, the photo is flipped. To save the changes you've made to this photo, tap Done at the bottom right corner of the screen. So for some reason, if you want to go back to the original photo and revert any changes you've made, tap Edit at the top right. And then tap Revert at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then simply tap Revert to Original. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.